Good morning. Bonjour, bonjour. Ça c'est Mazonbèl. This is a root vegetable like malanga. So in Haiti we boil it and we eat it with any kind of sauce or meat that we find. But it's really good with the earring sauce like akasan. So good. So this is malanga. So I decided I found some good not malanga, I'm sorry, Mazonbèl. This is a wood vegetable. I decided to use it a different way. So I boil it. To cook it, you peel it. You remove the brown part, you peel it, you boil it. So this is it. So today I'm gonna try it sweet. So I'm gonna cut it in pieces and I'm gonna put it in a blender. I'm gonna put some milk, sugar, and vanilla. Next time I'm gonna try it with some strawberry and banana. So I don't have strawberry right now. I have raspberry, but you can try to blend it with some fruits. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the Mazonbèl in a drink. Mazonbèl drink. So yes, I'm gonna try it different ways. We see. You can also, the same way you do mashed potato, you can do Mazonbèl. I try it with, you put some onion, garlic, and you add a butter, you add milk, butter, onion, garlic, and I added some Parmesan cheese, and I really mash it like mashed potato. It's really delicious. So yes, so this is Mazonbèl, a wood vegetable, and we're gonna try it different way. More videos will come. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Okay, so we did the Mazonbèl drink. We blended. We put vanilla. I put some ground cinnamon, sugar, and milk. And it was very thick because this is evaporated milk. So I added some hot water. It's because it was really thick with the evaporated. You don't have to use this milk. You can use the gallon milk. It's still gonna be good. I mean, this is my first time doing this, so this is so good. I tasted it. It's so good. So you can warm it up if you want. If you want it like oatmeal, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon at the top, and I'm gonna use my straw to try it. Wow, it's good. I love it. I didn't know Mazonbèl was that good like that. I always try it, salty, but you can use it different ways. And I have other ways in mind that I want to try it. I will share with you. You should try it. It's so good.